Now that we have the STI up to snuff, we have some really nice weather over the next week, I need to grab some E85. So I swang down to FIM again, and I didn't necessarily tell them I was coming, so I know they got E85, but Fernando said to swing down whenever, so I swang down whenever. You fucking scared the f out of me, bro. God damn.
I was like, I didn't tell him I'm coming, so I'm just gonna sneak in there and run in.
You scared the hell out of me, man. My back still hurt.
What are you doing?
My soul hurts. It's my place.
Someone hit Melanie's car while we were in here waffle dwarfing around, so we had to get that situation taken care of. Luckily there's not a lot of damage. I'll show you guys once we go back outside. I was joking with Fernando. I was like, she should have gotten out and been like, my neck.
I mean, the damage isn't so bad. It was the thing that got me was that when she got out, like, she seemed mad at me that she hit me.
Yeah.
But she's the one that drove into the parking lot.
Yeah.
So I was just like, what?
It's not like she drove into the parking lot and then we came in and parked. So she drove into the parking lot seeing that we were already parked there.
Yeah.
And then proceeded to back up into you and continue trying to back up. now it's an opportunity to just wrap the car. You wanted baby blue. I'm getting all the ethanol. Oh, did you move parking spots?
Yeah, so she had room to back out. It wasn't like a jerk thing. It was just like, she was like, oh, I just didn't see you. I was like, maybe she has a backup camera. And I was like, I'm not gonna like honk at her. She has a backup camera and she like knows what she's doing.
All right here on the door. So I was able to snag 15 gallons of E. I do need to get more fuel containers if this is how we're gonna continue to get E85. I have an empty barrel at the house. I need a full barrel. Fernando was talking about swapping barrels with me, him getting a full one. I pay him for the full barrel, I give him my empty one, so we'll see how that goes. Either way, I don't mind coming to see him, what, once a week now. Look at that, now he drives a Genesis. He went from driving an Evo to a Genesis. I'm gonna go ahead, fill up the STI with some E, let it warm up, and we're gonna go take it out. While I'm doing that, Melanie's gonna be hanging out at the shop washing her GTI that just got smacked by a minivan earlier, just to try to clean it up a little bit, and we can try potentially buffing it to see if we can get it to come out a little bit cleaner. And then I'm gonna go do illegal activities for a little while. But not too illegal. I could put pump gas in it, but what's the point, you know? There isn't. How does it feel to date a car owner? I don't want it to spill out. Oh, there it is. That's not bad. All right, so that leaves me with quite a good amount of fuel left. I still have 2 more full containers, and then this one. There we go. I want to see how it feels. I haven't had the opportunity to really drive it yet since our last tuning session after I fixed everything, so I'm excited. I don't want to go full bananas on it. I just want to go out and have some fun. I feel like we could take him. We could take it. It's just a C8. So bad for the lady next to me. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to not be a nuisance until I get out into the woods. Then I'll be a nuisance. I'm so sorry. Please go ahead of me. I'm trying to go a little bit slower so I'm not all up in her ear. Just in the truck. I'm so sorry, man. People get so confused whenever they see the car and they're like, it's super. I love it, man. That dude was cool. That dude was chill. friendly neighborhood Subaru right there. Is he in the video? He waved at me. I don't know if he watches the videos, but if he does, I'm gonna put him in this video. He can call himself out later. I'm guessing his name is Jack. I'm probably wrong on that, but I'm saying his name is Jack. We're just casual, no big deal. This is legit. This is everything I've wanted out of this car, dude. Seems to like the higher RPMs. That's what we're gonna give it. Everything was so worth it. It was all so fucking worth it, man. I will say the one thing this car does not like is traffic. It's just like the short little bursts of like stop go that this car hates. Aside from that, man, every other aspect about it is just spot on. Like the car feels phenomenal. And it's so easy to drive. The triple disc feels like factory. It's not a super heavy clutch, it's easy to shift. It's got electric power steering. That's the only thing that kind of sucks, is just traffic about it, like I said. But electric power steering, triple disc clutch, easy to drive, easy to shift. It's just fun. Look at that mountain! Look at that mountain! I am excited to get this car on a track. And not even just like drag racing. Drag racing the car will be fun, but like I want to do some like, what happens if I turn on my AccuSump? Woo! Oh, that was a bad idea. Okay, let's not turn on the AccuSump. Those D-cell pops, man. Funny too. People hear the car and then they see it and they don't expect a Subaru. And then they see a Subaru. Make sure I didn't spill coolant. No, they're still going. It's just hot. We'll let it idle down for a minute. It just got hot in there. Maybe I'll add some ducting or some shrouding later, but no, she's coming back down. 191. Yeah, I pulled up and I was waiting at this red light and a truck pulls up. I'm like, dude, I'm so sorry. Because he had his window down, the exhaust was just going right in his truck. And he looks out and I look at him. I'm like, sorry. And he's like, oh, dude, sick. I was like, that's cool. I've been gone for a while. You're still going? Is this round 2 or 3? It did fantastic. And look at that. No spilt coolant either. That is fucking phenomenal right there. I could probably stand to add a little bit more coolant in there, but that's easy deal. Dope, man. Yeah, I think I might actually add some shrouding in this behind the grill here to kind of direct air through this. It did great though. It did phenomenal. Super happy with it. I got some other stuff I got to do today, but I just wanted to get out while it was nice out like this and just have some fun with it. The car sounds great. It's phenomenal. Like every aspect about this car. I mean, technically it doesn't run hot. It's just a little bit over, I guess, technically the average for what it normally runs out, but it's also hotter outside, so it doesn't make it's not a huge stressor. But handling characteristically, it doesn't feel crazy different than an EJ. Like granted, yes, there's more weight in the front. It just doesn't feel all that harder to drive. It's got electric power steering, so it's easy to control. It's easy, it's fun, and it's fast. And it's expensive. That's the only downside.
Freaking lady over here just said it's good enough. There's one. No, you're gonna get water spots.
That's okay.
No, it's not.
I tell the people what we have coming. It's your car.
What do we got?
What do we got coming?
We got, I know, oh, I know this. We got an access port coming, and we got an intake?
Yeah.
I think those are the only two things, right?
Taking the access port coming.
Just the two things.
We're starting off small. It's Melanie's car. She's gonna be installing them all also.
Ha ha.
We're gonna get some wheels. We need to bag it.
The lady hit me here, and this got all bent in, and she. Oh no! I forgot to rinse underneath.
What?
Oh no!
What?
There's still salt. And then
Yeah, all right there.
Yeah, you can see where she backed into me. All right here, and then all of that.
Oh, that looks better.
That looks way better.
I'm gonna see if I can get that. So I have this Eastwood paintless dent removal kit. I'm not a PDR guy, so I'm gonna try to pull this to the best of my ability, okay? I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, so we're just gonna, oh, it's on me. It's like spider webs. Oh, that's hot. Seems dry.
Okay.
Did that do anything?
I think no.
Hey, that came out a little bit. I feel like it's better. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it perfect. How do you like my Subaru? So I can't get the car into a body shop because apparently no body shops are full or have availability, and the ones that will are charging an arm and a leg to get the flares painted.
Okay.
So two options is I spray paint them World Rally Blue because I have the paint, but the hard thing, the thing is the paint won't match because this isn't World Rally Blue anymore because the car's been repainted. So do I spray paint these or do I wrap the car? If we wrap the 07, what color should we wrap it? I'm thinking black.
Yeah.
Just like either black or white, I think would look money. Because the paint's just, I mean, it's not good paint. We wrap it, what color do we wrap it? Or should I just spray paint it? Do you guys like how I magically just teleported back to the house? So that's all I got for you guys on this one. I've got, tomorrow I'm doing a turbo replacement, so you guys are gonna get a video on how to replace your turbo in your Subaru. This one should be full build video coming soon. As you can see, I'm almost wrapped up with it. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. As the weather continues to get better and as we get into the summertime, we are going to be taking the STI to the track. It's already set up for 2 track days right now, and I'll get it set up for some more. With that, that's all I got for you guys. If you like the video, if you're hyped to see the STI is living life to its fullest now, go ahead and hit that like button. Turn it black, blue, green, yellow, purple, silver sign, whatever color it turns for you. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to be able to put it in one of these corners, no idea which one quite yet. But with that, I will catch you guys in the next one. So peace out, homies.